Yo, what is going on today, guys? Royce here, and today we are leaving the mountains, heading out to the dunes, so it should be a fun day. You're not gonna believe what happened. We had the Razor all loaded up, ready to go. We were gonna take the Razor, and sure enough, the trailer tire has a little leaky leak. So, not taking the Razor, but we are taking a couple pitters, and my buddy's meeting us out there with the other pitters, so should be all good. Just gotta unload the Razor here, and we're off. So let's go. Well, guys, we made it to the dunes, and well, we're all loaded up already. The reason is just a tad bit windy, and not even just a tad bit, like it's like really windy, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys see that sand just blowing across like no other. I mean, it's like almost unfilmable. So at this point, we're calling it quits, calling it a day. We had a decent time, but definitely wouldn't have turned out as good footage. So we're gonna head back and hopefully get some ripping at the cabin. See you guys there. Alrighty, time to do some sick jump building. Got all the bitters loaded up, ready to go. Let's get it.
You just missed Lydge going down.
What? Show us some tricks, John Don.
Sick rig, brother.
Alrighty guys, well, we are back at the Cool Hills. Anyways, got a couple booters we're kind of in the works here. One, we got right over here. Booted it a little hard earlier today and sent it over the bars. We got another booter right here, which kind of come around the berm over here and shoot up this and kind of like hip into that. And we're trying to build another booter that kind of cuts in right there and boots her down into here. So we'll see how this goes. Should be interesting. Guys, we are gonna see what bike is the quickest up the hill climbs. You got the 110, the 125, and another 125.
That's a 143, sir.
Like, this is technically a 143, but I mean, look at the chassis size. And these bikes are way bigger, way more power. I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's see. Alrighty guys, well, that is going to conclude today's video. Sorry if it was a little bit all over the place. We had a good weekend. We just wanted to go shred and have some fun and film it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. We're going to do some more content-based filming. Like, getting like challenges going or like getting different like actual ideas and like focusing our entire video like around that idea. It's not going to be like that every time, but you know, just to kind of switch up the videos, because obviously pit biking every single day, it's sweet, it's fun, it's awesome content, but you know, it's going to get boring eventually, and we want to keep it live. We want to keep it, you know, good quality content for you guys. We want to keep you guys entertained. So drop down some comments and challenges that we could do, you know, either on the pit bikes, on the Razor, even snowmobile. I mean, we don't really have much more snow. It's kind of old diminishing, but we are definitely getting some good dirt bike content in. So if you guys have any challenges for us, such as like racing all of them like we just did, let us know down in the comment section. But this has been Royce, and hope you guys have a nice rest of your day. Peace out.